Guys, this is Kia from Chronicles of Kia. Welcome to my first installment of This or That, where I come to you and I compare products that are similar, close to, or dupes of high-end products, looking for the low cost. So, stay tuned.
A beat like this might tempt me.
Today what I want to bring you is two lipsticks, two red lipsticks, because we're all out here looking for that perfect red shade. And I'm on the hunt of buying something cheap. I'm sorry. Yes, I have the money. I don't always want to spend it. I don't mind it, but if I can find a dupe for the cheaper price, for the low, I'm going to get it. So today what we're going to compare are two lipsticks. We have the M.A.C Retro Matte RubyWoo, which is an all-time fave. Like, this has been out for centuries. They even got it in a new package. Contender. Yes, I said contender. The contender is the Morphe, which is a matte dominant lipstick. Look at this packaging. This is so sleek. Oh my god. And this is what that looks like. So right out the package, let me open the matte. Right out the bat, this is what they look like. Here, I'll put them over here so you guys can see. How they look to y'all? I think I like them. On the left side, I have the Morphe lipstick. On the right side, I have the M.A.C RubyWoo. And the pencil, the liner that I used was some off-brand beauty supply store liner in Blackberry Champagne. And I actually like the way it looks. What do you guys think? So we have the M.A.C RubyWoo for $19.50. And we have the Morphe for $9. So they both are about the same size. They both claim to be a matte lipstick. And as you can tell, they're both a matte. They're not a matte liquid lipstick, but they're a matte lipstick. I love them. So they're both about the same size, but the Morphe you actually get a little bit more. With the Morphe you get 0.12 ounces, 3.5 grams. With the M.A.C you get 0.10 ounces, 3 grams. So for half the price you get a 0.2 ounces and a half a gram more, which to some people isn't much. It really isn't that big of a margin, but still, my budget always goes for cheaper, even if it feels the same. So they both claim to be long wearing. M.A.C says that the RubyWoo is about 8 hours. The Morphe doesn't really give you a time frame, but I realized both of them, wearing both of them, it's not a liquid lipstick, so you have to reapply it. And who's not going to eat within an 8-hour period? Now, what I will say is I do drink out of a straw, so my lipstick normally lasts longer. And when I wore this to work, nobody could tell the difference. Like, my coworker was like, I love your lipstick. And I was like, girl, I'm doing a this or that. So I asked her, can she tell the difference? And she was like, no, it looks exactly the same. And looking here on camera, it looks exactly the same. So I cannot complain. They both are highly pigmented, so you have to be careful because I feel like it gets on everything if you're that person that touches your face. I don't normally touch my face, but I will say that I'm used to matte liquid lipsticks, so I'm used to giving my son a kiss or giving my husband a kiss, or, you know, hugging, or, you know, when you touch stuff, I'm not used to my lipstick transferring. So that was something I have to get back in the habit with, because I really want to dive back into lipstick. Because liquid lipsticks are just a little too drying for me. It says that it's fade proof, feather proof and fade proof, which is really not a claim. It's 2018. Now back then, yes, everybody wanted it to not fade, but it fades and it does feather if you don't use a liner. I did it one day without a liner and both of them, you know, feathered out. But I realized when I put a liner on, they stayed put and I love them. So again, what do you guys think? Can you guys tell the difference? Again, like I stated, I'm going to show the demo right here of me applying both lipsticks. Let's go in and line our lips. So let's go in on the right hand side with Morphe. Oh, this is like gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love this red. I'm going to go in with MAC RubyWoo. So let me come closer. Come on, focus for me. On this side, we have the Morphe, and this is what that looks like. And then on the left-hand side, we have the MAC on this side. Is it MAC? Or is it Morphe? On camera, they actually look like exactly the same. Now when I swatch it on my hand, here I'll swatch the Morphe at the top, and I'll swatch the MAC right below it. When you look at the swatches, here are the swatches. So this one is the MAC RubyWoo. This one is the Morphe Dominant. They don't look exactly the same. They don't necessarily have the same undertone. The MAC has more of a deeper red than the Morphe Dominant. But on the lips with the liner, what do you guys think? I think you can get away with it so that you can see them. I'm also going to list below the descriptions and what they both claim and the price, and probably I'll list the link to get them to purchase them, because I got them both from Ulta a couple of weeks ago, because I saw it and I was like, I'm on the hunt for a good red, and I'm kind of over the liquid lipstick. I think I'm going back to lipstick days, lip gloss days, where my lips was popping. My lips are popping. They are popping. So, tell me what you guys think. Do you think that it's a dupe? Can you tell the difference? Let me come in a little closer. This side again is MAC. And this side again is Morphe. I think this is an A-OK dupe. One down. A couple of more to go, girl. So, if you like this series, which is another series of this or that, where I dupe products looking for the most, how can I say this? I'm not necessarily for the cheap, but I want the more bang for my buck. Like, things are happening out in this world, and I'm not about to spend all my money on something where I can get something similar. I know it's not going to be exact, but if it's damn near, this is damn near the exact. This is damn near the exact. Excuse my French. I need to watch my mouth. But if I can save a couple of coins, $9, I can get 2 lipsticks for the price of 1. Actually, I think I'm going to go get another one from Morphe. But yes. So I wanted to come on and just show you guys my first this or that. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini this or that series. I'm going to try to keep these short, simple, and straight to the point. I hope you guys come back, like, subscribe, comment. Tell me some products that you want me to compare, or some products that you have an idea to try out. Maybe I already know a dupe for it. Who knows? So come back. Thank you for enjoying the video. Thank you for watching the video. And I'll see you soon. Bye. Actually, let me come back. Let's see if this transfers. How about that? Let me find... Let's see. I've had it on for a while. And let's see how much transfers onto a paper towel. We're going to kiss it. Are you guys ready? This is me. You saw me dab it twice. Can you guys see that? That's not bad at all. Oh my God, I'm falling in love.